Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix this type of problem on TikTok. So guys, if you're facing this type of problem, your account was permanently banned. If you believe this was a mistake, you can submit an appeal. So guys, firstly let me tell you that if you think you don't break any terms and condition of TikTok, then you can appeal from here. Just simply tap on appeal and you will go next to a page where you give your feedback or you have to write about your problem. So what you have to do is just simply open any browser in your phone, and then let me tell you that you have to tap on TikTok contact in your browser. Just simply tap on first link, then tap on sport.tiktok.com, and then just simply tap here banned, and just simply tap on my account was banned. And here are the instructions, so you can read instruction from here. Here are the instruction of banned account. So accounts that constantly violate community guidelines will be banned from TikTok. If your account has been banned, you will receive a banner notification when you next to open the app informing you of this account change. If you believe your account was banned incorrectly, let us know by submitting an appeal. So how can you submit your appeal? Just simply open the notification, this one, and after that what you have to do is just simply tap on appeal, and you will go next to a page where you tell about your problem. So what do you read from here? Just simply read this one, and let me tell you that you have to take a screenshot of your problem. From here you have to take a screenshot, and when you go to the page on feedback, just simply write this one: hello TikTok team, I'm facing a problem as per screenshot, and I don't think that I violated any terms and condition, and I think some people flagged with my videos, that's why I'm facing this type of problem. So please fix my problem as soon as possible. Information is below, so just simply give your username and email address and date when you're facing this type of problem, and just simply you will see the submit button. So just simply tap on submit, and your request will be submitted, and they will respond after 48 hours, and your account will be back to you. So that's it guys for today. With the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.